2018 GMC Terrain, you want to get the accessory, the key on accessory on with the engine off. So what happens when you push the button? A warning comes up that says press brake to start engine. Well, we don't want to start the engine, especially if we let's say we're doing the oil change and we're doing rear brakes and we want to retract the rear calipers, but we're waiting for the oil, so obviously you don't want to turn on the engine. So you press it again and nothing happens. It turns off. You press it again and it says again, press the brake pedal to start. Again, we don't want to start the engine at this moment. So what do? You actually hold the button for about 5 seconds. So you push one time and hold it, 3, 4, 5, and there it is. Gauges come on. Now you are with the accessory key on the accessory on with the engine off. Now you can run the procedure to retract the calipers or whatever other procedure you may need with the engine off, accessory key on. Thanks for watching.